The market report for Greater Toronto area for the month of March is out, and in this video I'll be showing you what this report means for you as a potential home buyer or home seller. Let's get started. Hi, my name is Mehta and I'm a local real estate agent here in Greater Toronto area based in Mississauga. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a brand new report of market statistics for the month of March that has just come out. For the month of March, if you're looking for a quick summary for this statistics, it's right here. The key figures, you can have a look at it. You can take a picture of it if you want. This section here. So you can take a picture, you can highlight, you know exactly what's going on in the market. But if you want to dive in, this video is for those who wants to dive in and get a little bit more information. So let's get started. So the new listings for the month of March, we had 14,000 listings, which was 39% less than the March in 2022. So if you look at here, we have a low listing. We have been having this low listing environment for a long period of time, and because we have a low listing right now, if you're a potential seller, it's a good time for you to start having a conversation with your agent to list your home and bring it to the market. The next one is average asking price. Average asking price is pretty flat out. It's about 1.25 million, so about 3% less than March previous year. And the reason why is because of obviously the rate increase. There has been a significant rate increase in last year or so, and a lot of buyers who were already stretching their budget, they have been pushed out of the market. But now that Feds have decided that they're gonna hold the rate steady for next few months, a lot of buyers who were sitting on the sideline have started coming back to the market to see what options are available. So as far as the average asking price is concerned, there is no drastic change from last year. Sold properties. So this is an interesting data here. The number of sold properties are actually less, but also so does the number of properties coming to the market. So if you look at the data from February, we are actually selling more properties this year. So January, February, and March. And if you're looking at the data from October, we were bottomed out in January and then now started picking up, which is pretty much in line with our spring market. So number of properties are selling, they are going up. So again, if you're a potential seller, this is a good time for you to list your home. Please start the conversation with your real estate agent, and if you don't have a real estate agent, please reach out to me. I'll be happy to talk. And if you're a potential buyer, or if you've been looking for a home for a while and if you couldn't find a right property to buy, this is your opportunity too, because now more properties are coming to the market. So this will help you to pick the right property that fits your needs. Average sale price. So pretty much it's not that big of a difference compared to March last year. It was down by 15%. So last year in March, the average sale price was 1.28 million. This year March is just close to 1.1 million. So it's about 15% less, but the market is different too. So that's why the interest rates have gone up since then. So if you're a potential buyer, this is a good opportunity for you to get into the market, because guess what? Whoever bought a home last year in March, they probably paid 1.28 million, and now you have an opportunity to buy the similar home for close to 1.1 million. So it's a good goodbye, as they say. As there is a saying in the real estate that you make money on your buy, and it holds truth. So you have to just understand that when is the right time to get in and at what price point. And surely your real estate agent will help you to understand your local market, because this is for entire GTA. So your local market might be a little bit different. So your real estate agent will help you to understand what is going on in your local market and help you to decode the pricing structure. And last but not least is days on market. So days on market for the March was about 20 days, which is not bad actually. 20 days is not bad. If you can see the trajectory here, the beautiful red line, the number of days are coming down, which means that properties are selling a little bit faster. In February it was 24 or almost 25 days. In January it was 32 days. December was 33 days. November was 26 days. October was 25 days. And this time around we are at 21 days. So the gray one, it shows the current year, the last month. And the red one shows the prior year, as it's noted here. So if you're a seller, again, the days on market is going down. So just make sure, here is a tip. If you're a seller, here is the tip. Make sure your property shows well, price well, state well, and market well. As long as you fit all these 4 criteria, you will have a success in selling your home. And if you're a buyer, here is something you need to know. Make sure you have a chat with your mortgage agent about your finances. And if you're getting a mortgage now, try to get a mortgage for at least for 3 years fixed, so that at least for next 3 years, you know what your monthly payment is going to be look like, and you can plan accordingly. After 3 years, we don't know what the rate's going to be like, but hopefully it will be lower than what it is today. So if the rates are lower than what it is today, you have 2 choices. A, you can either refinance and take out some equity, whatever equity you may have at the time. So you can take out some equity and refinance at a newer rate, or you just renew your rate. You renew your mortgage at a newer interest rate, and depending on the situation at that time, you can decide, okay, how you want to renew, but that's a different conversation. So the data that shows that if you're a buyer, there is no reason for you not to buy now, because Feds are holding the interest rates for the next few months. So this is your opportunity to get in. If you're a seller, there is no reason you not to sell if you are looking to sell, because we still have a very tight supply of inventory. The property prices are still holding very steadily, and there are buyers, there are qualified, interested, and motivated buyers out there. So if that is something you are interested in, the data here is the data that tells you and it gives you that affirmation that you've been looking for. I hope you found this data useful. If you need a copy of this report, shoot me a message or reply me or text me or message me, and I'll be happy to send you a report in a PDF format. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.